So you might be in a situation where you're trying to go ahead and remove the red eye inside of your particular iPhone photos. Now doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to start off by opening up the Photos application on your iPhone. So open up Photos and you want to find the photo that you want to go ahead and basically remove the red eye in. So in this case, I have this particular photo right here. So what I can do is I can go ahead and tap onto this particular photo and you can see it kind of has like eyes right there. Now what we want to do is we want to find the edit button. So the edit button can look like this on the newer versions of iOS and some other ones it might be on the top. So tap onto that particular edit button and what we're going to want to do is find a little button or option somewhere that shows some eyes inside of it. Now on our iPhones, it depends on the photo, it depends if it even detects eyes. But if it does, what you can do is try to find a little eye option. In some cases, you might have to tap onto the three lines option up there. Not this particular one, but the three dots in the top right corner, just like that. And you'll be able to find this red eye option right there. So what you can do is you can go ahead and tap onto that red eye option right there, and that will go ahead and allow you to remove the red eyes inside of it. So that's basically all you're gonna have to do. You can then go through and remove those red eyes from it, and that's all you're really going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.